In this video, we're going to learn how to create database tables. The create table statement creates a new database table, and within this statement, you will specify the name of the table and the data type and name of each column in that table. The example on the right shows we're creating a movie table with 4 columns: the ID, title, release date, and the cost. The ID is a small integer and it's unsigned. That means it can only be positive values, non-negative. There's title, which is a VARCHAR, so it can hold strings up to 100 characters. Release date is the date the movie was released, and cost, which is a decimal which can have up to 10 numbers before the dot and 2 numbers after the dot. There's also an alter table SQL statement which modifies an existing table. So if you needed to add a new column called rating, you could say alter table movie, add rating varchar 9. So now you could say that this movie is rated PG-13. You could also rename a column, like let's say you wanted to change the column name cost to budget. That seems like it makes a little bit more sense, right? So alter table movie, change cost, budget, and specify the number of decimal places. And if you just wanted to drop the column entirely, alter table movie, drop budget. And if you wanted to delete the entire table and all the data in it, drop table movie. So let's try some of these out in MySQL Workbench, and let's create a table, alter it, and then drop it. So I'm here in MySQL Workbench and I'm going to create a table. Let's create a table called artist. Create table artist, which has an ID. And we'll say that is a SMALLINT as a data type, and unsigned, so it has to be a non-negative number. Name is a varchar, size 100, and age is just an int. Right, and then we'll click execute, and our table has been created. Let's check it out. Show tables. There's our table, but there's no data in there. Let's just add one quick row of data in there. Insert into artist, values 100, Kanye West, and I don't know how old he is. Let's just say he's 50. And we'll run this statement, right? And let's just make sure it's in there. Select star from artists. All right, there's our database. Kanye West, we have 3 columns: ID, name, and age. All right, so let's alter this table next. Let's add a new column. Alter, make some room. Oops. Alter table artist. Add, so we have artist name, age, and let's add the type of music. Let's just call it type, and type is a varchar of 20. All right, let's run that command, and a table has been altered. Let's verify. Select star from artist. Run that. Now we have a new type column which didn't exist before, and because we never set a type for Kanye West, its value is null. And we'll learn more about null in another video. And then if you decided that that type was not a great name for the type of music, it should have been genre, we can change it. So we say alter table artist, change type to genre, varchar. We can even make it smaller or bigger if we wanted to make it 15. I think that should work. All right, it looks like it worked. Select star from artist. Yeah, now it's called genre. Oops, there it is. And then finally, if you just want to just delete the table entirely, drop table artist. Oops, clicked the wrong button. This one. All right, there we go. And select star from artist. Should show no rows. Oh, and it tells you right there, there's an error. Table music.artist doesn't exist. So table's been dropped.